Hello all, I am Dr. Gayatri, an educational therapist. I am the founder of Flourishing Kids and I work with kids having learning difficulties. Today we are going to discuss a parent question. A parent has asked me, my child is going to second grade now, but still he has so much difficulty in reading. So should I retain him back? Should I make him repeat first grade itself again? I think many parents have this doubt. So what to do? What should I do? Is it best for the child to be in another year on the same grade? So let's discuss. First thing, if the child is having any difficulty, we have to see whether it is only reading difficulty, it is any behavioral issue or anything else, right? We have to see that. Then if the child is having reading difficulty, what kind of difficulty is it? We have to see into specifics. We have to see why the child is having that learning difficulty. If it is a behavioral issue, here again, we have to see whether that behavioral issue is because of the reading. Yes, sometimes kids get so much frustrated that they are not able to read, and if they have to read it in the class and they are also having many difficulties, it turns out to be in a different form only because of the reading difficulty. So if it is that way, we have to rule out that behavioral difficulty also. We have to see why the child is having that. So if the kid is having learning difficulty and if you are retaining the child, if the child is being in the same year, they are repeating the same grade, and the same techniques are going to be used. The teacher is going to use the same techniques and everything is same. So it is the same again and again for the student. It won't be any beneficial. It won't be beneficial like for 1 year. Like the kid is going to be in the same grade and it is not so much beneficial. Maybe the kid can improve a little bit. But if the kid is having any learning difficulty, the kid won't be having such a marked improvement or anything because of retaining for 1 year. And one more thing, the kid's emotional needs are not met here. The kid becomes so deprived and they understand something is happening. Once the kid is around 7 years, they have their own self-esteem and self-confidence levels. If that is affected, they become so deprived and they might not be listening to the classes itself. Why should I be here? Again, it is the same. And some kids, they will not be able to express it out also. So as a parent, check out what is happening with the child. If the child is having any reading difficulty, and discuss with the teacher also what is happening, why is it happening? So what can we do further? So is there any other option other than the retention? So what is the option other than the retention? So the child needs different techniques. They require some specialized techniques other than the normal routine classes. So those kind of techniques are required for the child. That one would be given by an educational therapist or like a special educator who work with kids like having learning difficulties. That would improve them a lot. Maybe we can add 3 to 4 classes per week. We can add like extra support where the kid gets this support. Maybe on the weekends, we can ask like few tasks from the teacher and we can get it done for the student. We can go according to the level also. We can discuss that with the teacher and we can discuss with the principal or the concerned people in the school and get help from them also. All are there to support a child only, right? So we have to address a child both physically, emotionally, and also their issues also. So if a child is having learning difficulties, it's always good to seek support from outside rather than the retention in the same grade. And one more thing, I usually get this question also. So should the child be in a different school because the child is having learning difficulty? It's not the same for all students. There are like a few students, they don't require a separate school. Only for some kids, they need a different school. But for many kids, they can just take that external support and they can continue in the same school. So they would be able to continue in the same school and in the new grade also. Thank you all.